Joined everyone from DDA Merchant Navy Wing, unit of Doon Defense Academy. As you know that Doon Defense Academy, DDA Merchant Navy Wing, has been preparing students for the Merchant Navy apart from the defense courses. All the students who have selected from here done the course of DNS, BSc Nautical Science at BTech Marine. Students have been visiting here all the way to meet the Sandeep sirs and basically to share the experience with other students. This time we got two students of DDA who have completed here the Merchant Navy coaching. One is Archit and one is Mayank. They have completed the Diploma Nautical Science course from Samudra Institute of Marine Studies. I got the sponsorship from ESM, Executive Ship Management. They have visited today. And first of all, I welcome you, Archit, to visit Doon Defense Academy, and Mayank.
Thank you, sir.
How's your course?
It was very good, sir. It was a great experience, and I learned a lot of new things. I experienced new things, and the training was amazing.
Okay, in DNS courses, you have seen that general navigation, cargo work, stability. Okay, basically, have you everything? You got a CDSE, everything?
Yes, sir.
You are ready to sail as a cadet now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Same thing with you also.
Yes, sir.
And you have seen some other students are there in SIMS
Yes, sir.
of Doon Defense Academy. Okay, what's the name of all these students? No?
So there were few students like Kanish Joshi,
Kani Joshi is there.
Utkarsh.
Utkarsh.
Sir, but today they are not able to come here.
Yes.
But they are also planning to come.
Okay. Basically, do you want to share some experience about yourself, about the training in Doon Defense Academy, and followed by what is the experience during the Diploma Nautical Science course in SIMS? Okay?
So good afternoon, everyone. My name is Mayank, and I am an ex-DDA student. I joined DDA for the Merchant Navy course for the IMUCD exam. And first time met Punyal sir. He guided me, and the faculty here was amazing. The coaching, the guidance, everything is very good. Then I cleared my IMUCD, and then I got sponsorship in a campus drive, which was SIMS campus drive. And then I got sponsorship in ESM, and I went for my DNS Diploma in Nautical Science. And during my training, I learned a lot of new things. I experienced a lot of new things. Now I am ready to sail, and soon I will join my first ship.
Okay, Mike, all the best. And on behalf of Doon Defense Academy, best wishes for the bad career. One day we want to see you the captain. Okay, gentlemen?
Thank you, sir.
Okay, Archit, you want to share some experience?
Good morning, sir. My name is Archit Manwal. I recently completed my diploma in nautical science from Samudra Institute of Maritime Studies. I would thankful for Doon Defense Academy as they guided me throughout my journey. Like I joined DDA in 2024. They prepare me for IMCT as well as sponsorship. And the weekly test conducted here is very helpful for the examination. And if I talk about SIMS, the faculty and the instructor was very nice there. And I learned a lot of things in SIMS. So, and now I am ready to sail as a cadet in ESM.
Okay, Archit, once again, basically, best wishes from DDA. Okay, once again, for the highest rank of captain. Okay, and do well. You both are, this is my sincere advice. Work hard. Basically, you'll have more courses after the joining of the cadet training. You'll have other courses for the like second mate, phase 1, phase 2, and ASM. Okay, there will be so many courses out there for the promotions. Okay, work hard. And same thing, basically, I think you have been selected from Doon Defense Academy as a campus, right?
Yes, sir.
SIMS.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, basically, you want to say that these all students have been selected here in Doon Defense Academy, campus drive done by the SIMS, Samudra Institute of Marine Studies. Okay, all the best once again.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, Jai Hind.
Jai Hind.
Kindly subscribe DDA YouTube channel and don't forget to press bell icon.